Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to replace the oil on this bad boy right here. It's a Buick Encore. So I have other video of me doing other works on this, like the water pump, but not this car, but on not this exact car, but on this type of car. So the oil it take is 5W30. You can see it on the cap. What I like to do is just to go ahead and remove the cap, just leave it right there so the oil can come out faster and it don't come out and go back and forth and make a mess. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and raise the vehicle up, because we need to raise the vehicle up to drain the oil. And the oil filter gonna be right here too on this side, so that's where that is. And let's get started. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. So guys, it's gonna be 10mm. I already take it loose already. So it's 10mm. So you see the oil come out in a steady stream, and that's because I take the cap off. If I didn't take the cap off, it would be going up and down, back and forth, stuff like that. So I'm gonna let that drain, and you can see right here the torque spec for the oil for the drain plug is 14 Nm. So guys, while that draining, what you can do is get your drain plug. You want to check the rubber, make sure it's good. If not, you can replace it, or if you forget to order one and this is good, just make sure you order it for the next oil change. But so far this is good, so I'm just gonna reuse this one. So we have our drain plug in. You can wipe off any oil or get some brakes cleaner and clean it, parts cleaner, clean it. And yeah, we're gonna lower the vehicle down and get on the top. So what it used on here is a 24mm. Falling down. So it used a 24mm. To take that loose. Take it out just like that. Alright, so we got our oil filter. Just need to put it in. It can only goes in one way because it have like something right here in the middle. Alright, so once you push it down, it's gonna set, and that's it. And now we gotta clean this part and change this O-ring right here. So that's what we just use this pick to take out the and just wipe it down. I already sprayed it down with some brakes cleaner. Now we're gonna get this. And now we're gonna get some oil and just lubricate this right here. Alright, so I get some oil, just gonna rub it around. Just like that. So you just want to use your hand. So you just want to, after you add oil in it, you just want to pull this and make sure it's at the correct level. So I put like 4 quart in it. So I put 4 quart in it. What I'm gonna do is start the vehicle now. You add your oil here, right there you would add your oil, and also put this right there, add your oil so you don't make a mess. Take that out, then you could check it just like that. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go inside the vehicle and also alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start it. While we doing this now, what we're gonna do is I'm turn off the air. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is reset our change engine oil soon, and these are the control we're gonna use. So we're gonna press menu. Alright, so we're gonna clear the code first. So I'm gonna press this set. So this is your select button, set our select button. Alright, so that's the button to select anything. This is to turn up and down, to scroll up and down just like that, and this is to go throughout the menu just like that. So guys, I try to find the oil life right here, but I'm not seeing it. So what I'm gonna do is just press menu and scroll down to this. I used to scroll, so we're gonna scroll down to option, use this to select. I'm gonna press select, and then we're gonna scroll. So we want to go on info page, and then we're gonna select it, then we're gonna edit list, and then we need to go to oil life right there and select oil life right there just like that. Then we're gonna scroll down to exit, and then we're gonna press menu, and then we're gonna go back up to info. And once we go back up to info, we're gonna scroll and we're gonna see the oil life just like that. So now we're gonna press this, we're gonna press and hold it. So once we press and hold it, it's just gonna reset itself to 100. So I just press and hold this and it go back to 100. So that's it, guys. And then we can just turn the vehicle off, let the car sit for like 2 minutes, and then we can just repeat the process of checking the oil. If you need more oil, go ahead and add oil. If you don't need any more, you're good to go. With that said, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time.